Storm warning for northeastern Buffalo County, west central Jackson County, northern Trimpealo County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Moldovia, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Whitehall around 7:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Gilmanton, the Forest Valley area, Taylor, York, Pleasantville, Chimney Rock, and Northfield. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 95 and 101. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Weather Radio Station